Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taylor Monet coming back with another fucking video. Okay. I wanted to let y'all know I am still taking my Eat Up pills. And still gaining weight. I haven't reached my weight to where I want to come on the camera and really talk about it in detail. But yeah, I'm still taking them. I'm about to show y'all how I take it real quick. And I take them before I eat. So I have my juice right here, plus a drinkable water. But I do drink plenty of water throughout the day. Make sure when you are taking this medicine, you have to drink plenty of water. You have to. Yeah. Voila. Yeah. My hair looks a hot, funky booty mess. Alright, so this is the t-shirt right here. You have to use a bodysuit. First of all, it has to be a bodysuit, and it has to be a bodysuit that has long sleeves. Now, it doesn't have to be super long, but as long as it has long sleeves on it, you good to go. And yeah, it doesn't matter about if the bottom is like button up or not. If it doesn't button up, it doesn't matter. But it has to be a bodysuit and it has to be long sleeve. Now, what you want to do, I wrap my hair up in pineapples. If you wrap your hair up in pineapples and say you don't have a scarf or you can't get to a scarf and you have a bodysuit, I'm about to show y'all what I do. I turn the bodysuit sideways. Turn the bodysuit sideways, and I put the sleeves like this. Now what you want to do, you want to put this in the back of your head, and then you're gonna push your hair up like this. Push your hair up just like this, and then the bodysuit is like this. Make sure you leave the hair out on the sides. You want to make sure it's not tucked in the bodysuit. Now, this is the piece where you put, yummy thing in there. You're gonna put that side on this side. And then this is this side, the neck piece. You're gonna tuck it in like that. Now, you're all tucked away. Now what you wanna do is like literally pull this upward. Pull this upward. And then pull all the way to the side. So I'm gonna do it one more time. Up, side, wrap. And that's how you do it. Ew. Alright, and then make sure both of them are on there. Now, what you want to do, you do not want to tie both of those, because if you tie both of them, your head is going to be on fire. It's going to be hurting. So what I do is I just take both of the pieces of the bodysuit, the end pieces and the shoulder piece, and I tie it just like that. Now, if I want to be extra secure, I'll tie it twice. And now what I'm going to do is put these pieces inside. Tuck them away, because we don't want none of that. This, all I do is tuck it in the back. Tuck it in the back, and boom, we have our pineapple, and you can go to sleep. That's it, y'all. It's that simple. Taylor's Ratchet Creations. Thank me later. Make sure y'all subscribe to this channel. We try to get to 10K. You did. Make sure you watch my latest video, because I dropped some gems on how I did my high puff. You did. So make sure y'all go ahead and check that video out. Make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below if you try this out and it worked for you. Taylor Monet out. Deuces.